Thank y'all for being here. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for everything, guys. Thank you. Thank you for you guys. All right. This is how the pros get ready right here.
Are you fellas ready?
Baby. Yeah. Well, you're alive, baby. You're alive. You're alive on all platforms. This is Trainwreck from our studios.
There ain't no difference, baby, between you and a glass of whiskey. You make me stay up all night long. In the morning you mistreat me. First you touch my lips, then you crawl in my head. Last thing I remember is falling down on my bed. She's a ornery proof bad woman. Ornery proof bad woman. Ornery proof woo bad woman. Ornery proof baby. You got me doing things I just don't normally do. Saying things and just dancing around, singing songs all about you. Well, I just can't help myself. You taste so good. Well, I drink you every night and day. If the Surgeon General said I could. Ornery proof bad woman. Ornery proof bad woman. Ornery proof bad woman. Ornery proof baby. Doctors, well, they tell me you ain't no good for my health. Once I take you in, baby, just don't like myself. Down where red little baby, and don't get old. Down where red sweetheart, my love don't grow cold. Under reproof, bad woman. Under reproof, bad woman. Under reproof, bad woman. Under reproof, she's a under reproof, baby, yeah.
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us in the studio today, guys. Yeah, and I know you're getting tired of me saying this, guys, but you fucking rock, man.
I will never get tired of you saying that.
This is Trainwreck. Trainwreck. Everybody, go look for them. These guys have a groove like no other band has been here. These guys rock, guys. Keep going, man. Don't let me interrupt you, because I will be on y'all's, all day long if I need to.
I'm a mudbug baby, crawling on your floor. I'm a mudbug baby, crawling on your floor. Well, I got to scoot on back, girl. Oh, I ain't gonna crawl around you no more. I'm a mudbug baby, crawling on your floor. I'm a mudbug baby, crawling on your floor. Well, I got to scoot on back, girl. You ain't gonna boil me no more. Let me tell you about it, baby. Well, I got to scoot on back, girl. I ain't gonna crawl around you no more. Take it home, boys.
Very beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Very beautiful. It's a gorgeous stream. They put it that way.
That's what it's all about, man.
I think that's the best time we played that one.
Huh?
That's the best time we played that one.
Hell yeah.
You ain't lying. All right.
That's always a good feeling. What you got for us next, man? What you got
All
for
right. This next one, woo, we got some singing on that amp. All right, the next one is called Bad Luck, and it's the first song off of our new album, Rule of Thirds. You fellas ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Some has refused to shine. Dark days are rolling in. Whiskey to clear my mind, and music to pass the time. The world is spins round and round. Life it tries to knock me down. Bad luck it comes to town. Not gonna let it, not gonna push me around. Music to pass the time. Whiskey to clear my mind. Caught in the midst of fray, but I'm still here to stay. Yes, I am. Bad luck it comes to town. Life it tries to knock me down. Bad luck it comes to town. Not gonna let it, not gonna push me around. Some has refused to shine. Music to pass the time. Whiskey still clears my mind, and music still passes my time. Hey, bad luck it comes to town. Life tries to knock me down. Bad luck it comes to town. Not gonna let it, not gonna push me around. This one's Space City Cowboy. Oh, I fucked that up.
10-gallon hat on, baby. 500 horses, let's go for a ride. Got my boots, nothing to lose. Kicking like a shallow, going turn me loose, baby. I'm just a space city cowboy. ZZ frequencies on the waves from Mars. If you're tuning in closely, baby, NASA's making Billy rocket-powered guitars. Houston, there ain't no problem. Slip into a pearl snap and turn up the volume. Space City Cowboy, tell me, baby, where do you want me to land? I'm just a bad boy, taking your heart just because I can. Space City Cowboy, tell me, baby, where do you want me to land? I'm just a bad boy, taking your heart just because I can. Just a space city cowboy. Saddle up the satellite, let's go to the moon. Light speed, space stations, taco trucks and barbecue. Not a mood, a way of life. Bayou City boogie till the day I die. City cowboy, tell me, baby, where do you want me to land? I'm just a bad boy, taking your heart just because I can. Space City cowboy, tell me, baby, where do you want me to land? I'm just a bad boy, taking your heart just because I can.
Beautiful guys. Awesome guys. Awesome. Every time I hear the song, it's just beautiful.
I actually had a little bit of a snafu over here. My head plugs got unplugged in the middle of his drum solo. So I was having to like really quickly put it back together before he finished.
I think you did pretty
I was like crossing my fingers hoping you didn't like bum, bum, bum.
It's all good, guys.
I extended it just for you subconsciously.
We're connected, bud. Connected at the mind.
Woo! That was a good save. Good save. Good job, everybody. All right. Moving right along. This next one is the tuning song. All right, enough of that crap. All right, this next one is a song that's near and dear to my heart. This one's called Anne Marie. Standing on out the front door, baby. Haven't been home in 3 whole days. Open the door and walk on in. My heart stops cold, I drop to my knees. It seems somebody has stolen my Anne Marie. Life is life and death is death. Memories are made to forget. The ones with her are stuck with me. It's why I can't go on without Anne Marie. It seems somebody has stolen my Anne Marie. Busting on out the back door, baby. Climbing on in my burning Jeep. Screaming down the road like a Betsy from hell. I know she is gone, this is what I yell. It seems somebody has stolen my Anne Marie. Basement! Now this next little bit is kind of a sing-along. I'm gonna tell you the words and we can repeat them back in excitement at the comfort of your own home. It goes like this. Hand me that bottle of turkey. Let me wet my lips. I gotta go find my baby before this night ends. Come on, try it out, y'all. Hand me that bottle of turkey. Let me wet my lips. I gotta go find my baby before this night ends. Hey, hand me that bottle of turkey. Let me wet my lips. Gotta go find my baby before this night ends. Hand me that bottle of turkey, let me wet my lips. Gotta go find my baby before this night ends. Hand me that bottle of turkey, let me wet my lips. I gotta go find my baby before this night ends. Hand me that bottle of wild turkey, let me let my poor old lips. Gotta go find my pretty baby before this night ends. It seems somebody has stolen my Anne-Marie.
That was beautiful, guys.
Thank you very much.
Awesome, guys.
All right.
You got one more for us? Two more? What is
Yeah.
it? One more.
One more.
This is Trainwreck, guys. Trainwreck. It's awesome. They got me dancing over here. They got me grooving over here. Thank you guys for being here in the studio.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. It's nice to bring awesome talent into the studio.
in the morning, she said, don't go in the woods. These days, everybody's happy, we're all misunderstood. Did you ever really think you could wear those running shoes? Marching far away, you just headed straight for the news. I'm finding gold in the ashes and the boons. I'm moving forward while you're counting my cocoons. I did your dance, I wore your silly strings. You couldn't help yourself but look on over me. I wandered in the woods and found myself alive. Well, I slipped down to the wings and dusted that old hive. Oh yeah. Well, you said turn back now, you could never have it your way. By now you probably figured out I don't really want to ride this train. I'm alive again, still breathing, you can't take that away from me. On my own 2 feet, I'm standing, I don't need you, baby. I'm finding gold in the ashes and the boons. I'm moving forward while you're counting my cocoons. I did your dance, I wore your silly strings. You couldn't help yourself but look on over me. Oh, I wandered in the woods and found myself alive. Well, I slipped down to the wings and dusted that old hive. Oh yeah. Did your dance, I wore your silly strings. You couldn't help yourself but look on over me. Oh, I wandered in the woods and found myself alive. Well, I slipped down to the wings and dusted that old hive. Hey!
Very nice, guys. Very, very extremely nice. Thank you for joining
Thank
us
you
in the
very
studio
much.
today, buddy. Y'all guys rock, man. Dude, Trey, you're awesome, dude. You have a great voice.
Thank you, man. Appreciate
Bass player. I forgot your name, bro, but you are a killer ass bass player. Drummer, you got it. You're Zach, right?
Here.
That's right.
You don't need to know the bass player's name.
Nah, he's great, man. Thank you guys for coming. Guys, tell us where to find you on Facebook.
You can check us out at www.trainwreck.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can purchase any of our music from Spotify, iTunes, and I really forget where else, but we're plastered all over the internet. It's TREYNWREK, TREYNWREK. Thank y'all so much. Come and wreck it.
Thank y'all.
We're definitely going to be putting all your social media information on your post. And so, guys, thank you for coming. If you're looking at YouTube, find us at Roger Ramirez Official. Join us, subscribe, spread the love. If you know of a band that would like to come here in the studio, tell them about us. We are having these live sessions for different bands. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for coming. It's been a pleasure, guys.
Likewise, amigo.
Thank y'all very much. Thank you all very much. Much love, guys.